Hello and welcome back to AI Watch. Please like and subscribe and pass this video along if you would. You know, our main focus here is to help animals on a global level. We are actively highlighting Cause I Matter Animal Rescue. That's causeImatter.org. And I ask if you would please help donate so we can build kennels to help the animals out of the kill shelters that are abandoned, that need a home or maybe a place to just live their life out. So thank you so much. And today, you know, 10 years ago, if you had wanted to start a business, design something, write something, or research something, you would need an entire team. But today, you need good Wi-Fi and an AI assistant. So I'm going to show you today 10 AI tools that feels like you're cheating, but let's put them to the test. Let's see what they can do. Open ChatGPT and ask, give me 5 ways AI could help someone save $100 a month. This is ChatGPT. Think of it like brainstorming partner, like a partner that can help you solve problems, who can research ideas, and who can write things. These things make things a lot easier, so let's start using that one. Now, let's look at something that might actually replace traditional search. Open Perplexity AI and ask, best high-yield savings account in the US. Instead of scrolling through pages of links, AI can give you the direct answers with sources. That's what I need. The internet to me is confusing. AI gets right to the point exactly where I am asking it to go. But things get even crazier when AI starts creating. Okay, we're gonna open the Bing image creator and type golden retriever, astronaut, floating in space, eating tacos, cinematic lighting. 10 seconds ago, that image didn't exist. And you know, this is very controversial. I know a lot of you already know AI can create video. We're using a runway taxi to video. The prompt is cinematic futuristic city with flying cars at sunset. AI can now generate video from text prompt. Now, let's see what AI can do with voices. Okay, on this one, I'm going to use 11 Labs. And I'm going to paste in here, welcome to AI Watch, where we explore how artificial intelligence is changing the world.
Welcome to AI Watch, where we explore how artificial intelligence is changing the world.
That voice was generated entirely by artificial intelligence. AI can also build things that normally require technical skills. I'm using ChatGPT. Write a simple homepage for a dog rescue organization. You don't even need to know coding anymore. And yes, AI also can create music. I'm using Suno, and I'm gonna say upbeat country sound about rescue dogs finding homes.
Every tale has a story to tell. Every heart deserves a spell. A place to lay their head at night. A love that makes the dark feel light. Wagging home, wagging home.
That song was created entirely by AI in just seconds. Now this one is a big one for me. I use it all the time like this. AI can be used like a personal teacher, and it's a great one. I'm using ChatGPT. Explain quantum computing like I'm 12 years old. Imagine having a tutor available anytime you need one. Businesses are also using AI to automate work. And one more thing before I go. Please support your local animal and rescue centers and adopt if you can. And if you find that AI has improved your life, well, maybe we could use it to improve theirs too. Find out more at causeImatter.org. AI also can build things that normally require technical skills. I'm sure you can hear my fur kids playing in the background. It's a happy home. That's Lonnie Anderson right there. Hey Lonnie! Lonnie! Come on! What are you doing? What's up? Okay, now let's see what AI can do with voices. AI also can build things that what? Starts getting crazier. Things starts getting crazier when AI starts creating.